Is there a simple, elegant way to define singletons? There seem to be many ways to define singletons in Python. Is there a consensus opinion on Stack Overflow?
I don't really see the need, as a module with functions, and not a class, would serve well as a singleton. All its variables would be bound to the module, which could not be instantiated repeatedly anyway. If you do wish to use a class, there is no way of creating private classes or private constructors in Python, so you can't protect against multiple instantiations, other than just via convention and use of your API. I would still just put methods in a module, and consider the module as the singleton.
Here's my own implementation of singletons. All you have to do is decorate the class. To get the singleton, you then have to use the instance method. Here's an example. And here's the code.
You can override the _new_ method like this.
A slightly different approach to implement the singleton in Python is the Borg pattern by Alex Martelli, Google employee and Python genius. So instead of forcing all instances to have the same identity, they share state.
If you want to